In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the cheapest way to use Notion AI. The goal here is simple. Before you subscribe to anything, you want to make sure you understand the current pricing, what is already included in your plan, and whether there is a lower cost option that still gives you exactly what you need. Taking a few minutes to review this carefully can help you avoid paying more than necessary. Start by opening Notion and checking the current AI pricing options. Pricing can change over time, so it's important to look directly inside Notion or on the official pricing page instead of relying on older information. As you review the available plans, pay close attention to what features are included and whether AI is offered as part of the plan or as an add on. Next, review whether Notion AI is already included in your current plan. If you already have a paid workspace, there's a chance some AI features may be available without needing a separate upgrade. This is an easy detail to miss, so take a moment to confirm what your current subscription actually includes before making any changes. After that, check if you qualify for free access, student offers, workspace credits, or free trials. This step can make the biggest difference in cost. If you're eligible for a student discount or promotional access, you may be able to use Notion AI at a reduced price or even temporarily for free. Also, look for any credits already attached to your workspace, since those can sometimes lower your cost without requiring any additional setup. Then compare monthly billing and annual billing if both are available. Monthly billing is usually more flexible, which is helpful if you only need AI for a short period. Annual billing, on the other hand, often lowers the effective monthly cost, so it may be the better value if you plan to use it long term. Make sure you compare the actual total price, not just the monthly number shown on the screen. Once you've reviewed those options, choose the lowest cost plan that realistically fits your needs. Try not to overbuy features just because they sound useful. Focus on what you'll actually use right now. Also, avoid paying for extra seats or extra workspaces you do not need. This is one of the most common ways costs increase. If only one person needs access, make sure you're not subscribing for a larger team set up by mistake. Finally, confirm the plan details carefully before subscribing. Double check the billing cycle, included features, number of seats, and total cost so you know exactly what you're agreeing to. That way, you can start using Notion AI with confidence and at the lowest price that makes sense for you.